The Redmi 10A is an entry-level smartphone released in March 2022. In this video, we will review the smartphone specs and find out how it performs when it comes to mobile gaming. First, let's talk about the specifications and features of the Redmi 10A. The smartphone goes for around $110, which is approximately 77,000 naira. The device is available in different colors like black, silver, and blue, but I have the black color. A question: will you consider buying the Redmi 10A for gaming if you could? Check out the link in the description below to purchase the device from Jumia. The Redmi 10A phone has a 6.3 inches IPS LCD display with default night brightness. The Redmi 10A uses a non-removable 5000 mAh battery, which provides enough power for more gaming sessions and doesn't support fast charging. It runs on Android 11 OS combined with MIUI 12.5 in order to provide smooth operation on the device. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor that can reach up to 2.5 GHz clocking speed with Power VRU GE8320 GPU. The device is available for pickup from 3GB to 6GB RAM with 32GB to 128GB internal storage. The device camera is extremely bad for me, and I won't suggest for someone looking to stream with their face in the video. The device also supports sensors such as fingerprint, accelerometer, and proximity. MediaTek Helio G25 processor is a real game changer when it comes to mobile gaming on low-end devices. We tested the phone with popular games like Call of Duty Mobile, which is an high-end game, and Traffic Rider, which is a low-end game. Starting with the Traffic Rider, we noticed it runs smoothly without any lag and was able to give enough details when playing the game. Now would be the best time to give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. Coming to Call of Duty Mobile, it took me about 1 minute and 20 seconds to get to the Call of Duty Mobile screen, which could be affected by network and also the processor. Looking at the Call of Duty Mobile on the Redmi 10A gave me a bad impression about the device due to its poor graphics and color accuracy. I went ahead to check out the graphics settings available on the device, and I noticed it only has low graphics and a medium maximum frame rate. In this made me have a bad impression that this device won't be able to handle high-end games, but I went ahead to play multiplayer mode on the Call of Duty Mobile. I experienced little lag while trying to move or kill an enemy. Here is the gameplay. After playing the multiplayer, I decided to play Battle Royale mode, which is much more powerful compared to multiplayer mode. I experienced more lag than the multiplayer mode. I found it difficult to move smoothly in the battlefield, but I was able to win few matches with it. It was really depressing trying to enjoy the game, but here's the gameplay. Overall, the Redmi 10A is an impressive budget smartphone that can perform simple daily tasks with ease, but when it comes to game performance, I won't suggest you buy this device if you wish to play games like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG. The device will perform well with mid-end games and low-end games. If you wish to get a mobile smartphone with good gaming performance, I recommend you check out the Redmi Note 10. Found this review helpful? Please consider giving this video a like and also subscribe to the channel to watch more gaming reviews like this.